Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Aweber for email lists, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Aweber for your email lists, first, visit the Aweber website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Fill in your personal information in the registration form. Provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Choose a plan that suits your needs, either the free trial or a paid subscription. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your Aweber account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Lists tab on the dashboard. Click on Create a List to start setting up your email list. Fill in the required details, such as your list name and description. Set the from name and from email address that will appear in your emails. Customize your list settings according to your preferences. After setting up your list, click on Save to finalize the creation. Next, go to the Messages tab to create your first email campaign. Click on Create a Message and choose your preferred email builder. Design your email with engaging content and a compelling subject line. Preview your email to ensure everything looks good before sending. Once satisfied, click Save and then Schedule to set your email delivery. Utilize the analytics tools available in Aweber to optimize your email campaigns over time. By following these steps, your Aweber account will be fully activated for managing email lists effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.